Hi, I'm Dr. Jamie West, and we're going to talk about how your pillows are not contributing to your headaches. So throughout the week, I get multiple questions from patients about, Doc, what kind of pillow should I use? What kind do you use? Because I've tried all these different pillows and spent all this money on pillows, and none of them make my headaches go away. Well, that's because your pillow's not the problem. Your pillow's not causing your headaches. Your lack of curve in your neck is causing your headaches, and then when you lay in your bed for 7 to 8 to 9 hours a night, there's no support there. So the first thing that you have to do is fix the curve in the neck. And then it doesn't matter what pillow you sleep on, as long as it's not too much, it's not pushing your head forward, it's going to help your headaches. So your pillows are not the cause. Don't go spend $5 million on pillows and 20 different kinds where you're moving from bed to bed. It's your neck. So cervicogenic headaches start from the neck. They kind of go up the back of the head, into the forehead, into the temple. And if you're not waking up with blood pressure problems in the morning, it's likely that it's your neck causing your problem, not the pillows. So save a little bit of your money. Don't go buying a lot of pillows. Fix your neck. So after you do get your curve in your neck fixed and you do start getting adjusted by a chiropractor, what kind of pillow is good? Well, personally for us, we buy a Certa-Pillow. It's about 10 pounds, about that thick, and we've had it for years. As long as we've been married, it has a gel top, so you don't have to constantly be flipping it over to find the cool side of the pillow. But it's really supportive. Other patients like my pillows. So it's good support. It kind of conforms. It has a really good guarantee. But don't spend over $100 on a pillow. It's not worth it. So try these tips at home. If you know of someone that suffers with headaches, again, we should be getting like maybe 1 to 2 headaches a year. If you're getting more than that, then it's time for you to come in and see us. So you need to click the link below. Share this with a friend because, man, headaches are not fun. I used to have them when I would run, and I stopped running because of it. And now, like, I may get 1 a year, but, I get adjusted. I have my pillow that I like, and I do curve correction. So everything's kind of going in the right direction. Like this, share it with a person that needs help with their headaches.